Friends, based on the multiple requests that I have received from the students across India who are aspirants of competitive soil sciences examination in JRF, SRF, ARS, NET on how you can use and buy Objective Soil Sciences MCQs app, I am here with preparing a video and demonstrating you how you can buy or purchase Objective Soil Sciences MCQs app and how you can use it. Earlier it was very difficult to buy this app because of limited banking transactions. However, it has been made very simple now. So let's get started for it. First of all, what you have to do is you can go to your Google Play Store account or Google Play Store, and just like the usual app searching, you can type Objective Soil Sciences app. I repeat, Objective Soil Sciences app. As you can see, it suggests also. So I am clicking on Objective Soil Sciences app. There are many apps which are normally shown. So here you can see number 2, 3 and 4. In your the number might differ. So you just see the fourth one, Objective Soil Sciences app. A brown color soil sciences is written here. So I'll be clicking on that. Since I have already installed this, it is showing in my account at this has been installed, so I can directly open it. However, in your case, just to demonstrate, I am using a separate Chrome window. So even if you open in your Google Play Store, automatically it will show like this. Type Objective Soil Sciences app and you will get such sort of suggestions, and you select Soil Science Pro. It is brown colored, a book with the name, and Pro is written in blue. To make this easy, what I am going to do is the link for this app I am going to give in description, so you can directly click on that and it will direct you to purchasing of this app on Google Play Store. So here it shows below the book icon 380 rupees or buy. So if somebody is interested really to buy this, you can click on buy button. Once you click on that, it will show you different options. So your mobile option, or from what account you have to prepare. I am just clicking it continue. Once you click that, there will be several options, whether you want to purchase using a credit card. You can add net banking, you can add credit card, you can add debit card, or you can redeem the code if you have Google Play account, Google Pay account score. At the same time, the easiest method here is using Google Pay also you can buy this. So earlier it was very difficult to buy from Google Play Store. However, it has been made very simple. So you can easily log into your account details, credit card you can put in, and you can buy it. So here if you click on buy, automatically it will suggest you for different banking options. So it is just like usual online purchasing we do, digital purchasing we do on different apps. You can do that. Once you do that, that app will be downloaded in your system or mobile phone. This is only for Android platforms, and once you download it, then you will be directed to install it. So the first part of this process is over now. We have downloaded and installed the app. Next, how we can use this app. Now I am going to demonstrate you. The icon of this app looks like this here. You can see here third row and third app is Objective Soil Science Pro. It is downloaded in your mobile phone, so you can click on that. Here as you can see, it gives you introduction, 113 quizzes. Each quiz contains 30 questions. This makes it 3390 questions. It is useful to aspirants of ICAR, JRF, SRF, ARS, NET, and mostly it is prepared based on the memory based MCQs. So if you want to go ahead with the quizzes, there is at the bottom take quizzes button. So we'll click on that take quizzes button. Now it starts from quiz 1 till quiz 113. At last you can see 113 quizzes are there. So it makes 113 into 30 is equal to 3390 questions in this app. Each quiz contains 30 questions. We have taken a due care here that at a time we can solve 30 or 40 questions. We cannot solve 100 questions because psychologically, if you're sitting somewhere, if you're traveling, it is very easy to remember that we have completed one quiz which is 30 questions. So quiz 1 is completed, you can go for quiz 2 like that. And it also helps for group discussion also. Now going into the quizzes, I'm clicking on quiz 1. So quiz 1, it shows you question and different answer. There will be 4 answers the way it is asked in examination. So I'm just telling you the process of soil aggregate dispersion due to excess sodium is called as either deflocculation, flocculation, conjugation, decongestion. So the correct answer is deflocculation, but I will choose a wrong answer. Let's see what it says. Conjugation if I am clicking. So after clicking the answer, you have to click on answer button. So it says that your answer is wrong. So what we have done here is, until and unless you select the right answer, it will not direct you to the second question. So it prompts the person to go to the right answers, and it also gives a sort of introspection, why was my answer wrong. Now I am clicking on deflocculation, so answer is wrong. Let's click on deflocculation now. So your answer is correct, and it is directing you to the second questions. So next, you can share these questions as well with different sharing applications. For example, I am just demonstrating you question number 2. If you want to share on some WhatsApp group or send a message to your friends, so you click on share button, click on WhatsApp or message or SMS app. Then you can send it to, for example, if I am sending it to our competitive soil sciences group, so it will directly go on that. And here what you see here is the question goes on some group or the one you want to send, and you can do the group discussion as well. One more care that has been taken here is that every time you undertake these questions, it will be randomized. For example, if you next time select quiz 1, the question number 1 will not be the same. It will be randomized among different 30 questions. So you feel no repetition, and every time the quiz is randomized. The important thing here is most of the exams nowadays are going on a digital platform. You have to appear on exam in internet as well and the center. So what you have to do is, it is a sort of hands-on training for you people, that you when answer using such kind of app, it will be a sort of hands-on training to you before you apply for the examination. So I had kept in mind that we should have some sort of hands-on training as well. So this might help you in preparation of that also. Earlier times the exams where you go to the center and there were using pencils, you have to encircle the questions, answers like that. So right now it is changing. So let's be innovative in learning, studying and applying for examination through some innovative ways like this Objective Soil Sciences app. I would suggest and recommend you all, if you are interested, if you are feeling that you should prepare well for the examination, you can buy this app. You can also suggest to your friend, you can also recommend to your friends, students, teachers, whomsoever can be benefited using this. This app was launched in 2015, so it was free then. So 2-3 years I kept it free, but I updated it since it also involves a lot of debugging and all. Now we have launched into December 2020 and it is a paid app now. So I would request, if you feel that it is useful to you, you can take a trial. There is a trial version on Google Play Store also, Objective Soil Science trial. 5 quizzes are there, you can see that and then you can make up your decision. I hope you like this video. Like this, we'll be preparing some more videos on soil sciences to keep you updated. Thank you very much for watching this.